Introduction. Your Window to Windows, written by David Pogue from Windows 10, the missing manual. Ever wondered what's happening behind the scenes of your Windows computer? The Task Manager is like a secret window, revealing all the activity taking place. It shows you which programs are running, how much power they're using, and how your computer is performing overall. Think of it as your computer's control panel, giving you the power to manage everything that's going on. Accessing Task Manager, 3 easy ways. There are a few ways to open Task Manager, so you can choose whichever is easiest. The classic shortcut, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete keys together. This brings up a blue screen with several options. Click Task Manager to open it. The taskbar method. Right-click on an empty space on your taskbar, the bar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a menu pop up. Choose Task Manager from the list. The search bar. Click the search bar next to the Windows icon on your taskbar. Type Task Manager and press Enter. Click on the Task Manager app that appears in the results. Exploring the tabs. A guided tour. Task Manager is organized into different tabs, each showing you specific information. Processes. This tab is your starting point. It lists all the programs currently running on your computer. You can see how much CPU, memory, disk, and network each program is using. If a program freezes, you can select it here and click End Task to close it. Performance. Want to know how your computer is handling everything? The Performance tab shows you real-time graphs of your CPU, memory, disk, network, and GPU usage. This helps you see if any component is overloaded and slowing down your system. App History. This tab tracks how much resources your apps have used over time. It's helpful for identifying power-hungry apps that might be draining your battery life on a laptop. Startup. Tired of waiting for your computer to boot up? The Startup tab lets you control which programs launch automatically when you start Windows. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can significantly speed up your boot time. Users. If multiple people use your computer, this tab shows you the resource usage for each user account. You can see who's consuming the most resources. Details. This tab provides advanced information about each running process, including its process ID, memory usage, and priority. It's mainly useful for troubleshooting or for users who need more technical details. Services. Your computer relies on background services for various tasks. This tab lets you view and manage these services, allowing you to stop, start, or restart them if needed. The importance of Task Manager, your system's best friend. Task Manager might seem intimidating at first, but it's an essential tool for any Windows user. By understanding its features, you can monitor your computer's performance and identify bottlenecks. Close unresponsive programs that are frozen or not responding. Optimize your startup programs for faster boot times. Troubleshoot system problems and identify resource-hungry apps. Think of Task Manager as your computer's best friend, always there to help you understand and control what's happening under the hood.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video.